You don't need lakhs or thousands of dollars to start investing. You can start with as little as $500 or even $10. And if you don't start early, you lose the biggest advantage in investing: time. This video is for complete beginners, people who want to start investing but feel confused or think they need a lot of money. Today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to start with small money and low risk. Watch till the end. This can save you years of mistakes. First, understand this clearly. Investing is not a get-rich-quick gain. It's a long-term process. If you're expecting fast profits, you'll make beginner mistakes. Second, start small. Don't wait for more money. Even $500 or $10 is enough to begin, because the goal is not the amount, it's building the habit. Third, as a beginner, don't overcomplicate things. Start with simple options like index funds or ETFs. They spread your risk and don't require deep knowledge to begin. Fourth, now this is important. Avoid these mistakes. Don't chase quick profits. Don't invest emotionally. Don't put all your money in one place. These are the reasons most beginners lose money. Fifth, investing is not about one big move. It's about consistency. Invest regularly, monthly or weekly. Over time, this builds real wealth. Let me be honest with you. Starting is easy. Staying consistent is hard. But that's what separates beginners from real investors. So now I want to know, what's stopping you from starting? Comment below. I read every comment. In my next video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes beginners make and exactly how to avoid them. Subscribe now and share this with someone who wants to start investing.